If you adjust the level in the previous way, it is still unsuccessful. One leg is still not level. We adjust again. Let's unscrew the 2 screws below. Turn counterclockwise to loosen. After the screws are loosened, the feet of the machine can be adjusted in angle. Then level it. We measure with a ruler. About 93 mm. Press the legs of this machine to make sure it is level. Adjust to 93 mm. Press and hold. Keep 93 mm height. Then tighten the 2 screws below. Tighten the top 2 screws as well. Then we check. Check if the 4 legs are level. The legs are now level. Then measure the height. About 91 mm. The measured height of the 4 corners is about 91 mm. That means leveling. Then use more force to tighten all the screws.